Why was steel skeleton key for early skyscrapers? Imagine a city skyline filled with towering buildings reaching for the sky. Have you ever wondered how they got so tall without collapsing? Well, the secret lies in the steel skeleton. Steel skeleton construction was a game changer for building skyscrapers because it gave structures the strength to go higher. Instead of heavy stone or brick walls supporting the weight, tall buildings used vertical steel columns and horizontal beams to carry the load. This meant the outside walls could be thin and just act as decorative curtains rather than load-bearing walls. As a result, architects could design buildings with more windows and open interior spaces. The rise of steel skeletons happened alongside advances in steel production. The Bessemer process, developed in the late 1800s, made steel cheaper and better quality. This made steel more accessible for large construction projects. The first major skyscraper to use this steel frame was the Home Insurance Building in Chicago, finished in 1885. It was only 10 stories tall but marked a huge shift in architecture. Steel's strength meant buildings could withstand wind and other stresses better than before. It also allowed faster construction because steel frames could be assembled quickly with cranes. Cities like Chicago and New York embraced this new way of building. Steel skeletons let buildings grow upward instead of spreading outward, making the most of limited land. This change was not just technical but also cultural. Skyscrapers became symbols of progress, power, and modern urban life. They shaped the city skylines and influenced architectural styles for decades. The steel skeleton was more than just a construction method. It was a cultural milestone that changed how cities looked and grew. In short, steel skeletons were essential because they made tall, safe, and efficient buildings possible. They combined new materials with smart engineering, breaking height limits and opening a new chapter in how humans built their cities. This innovation helped turn skylines into symbols of human ambition and progress, transforming urban life forever.